Saturday, February 9th, fighting over the fox.
Not fighting,
What are they doing?
just playing.
Now, well, they were playing. Of course, I missed all the vocalizations.
They'll get back.
Taylor, Buddy. Ferocious. Mom's gonna come in and take it from both of them. Uncle Primo's trying to stay out of it. Oh, Mexican standoff.
Tail wagging.
He's trying to creep around. He's gonna see if he can enlist some help from Uncle Primo. No way. Primo, you make a better door than a window, buddy. Primo's such a sweet boy. Tail wagging. Loves his dad. Hey, buddy. What you got? Taylor. Emma, do they have your fox? Do they have your fox? They have your fox. Oh, my goodness. They're killing it. Oh, well. Good job, puppies. Good job.